Good morning, students. Students, this is Ms. Priya Rathod, and students, today I am with cursive workbook. So please take out your cursive workbook. In this, you have to open the page number 6 to 62. Okay. Now, please mention today's date over here. That is 5th day, 3rd month, 2021 is the year. Please put tick on classwork, and here you have to put tick on homework. Students, today we are going to learn a new cursive letter, that is cursive letter V. V says wa, we were, was. So let's start. Trace and write the letter V. So the first step is we have to make a line from in between blue line to blue line, but we have to start in the mid of the blue line. Okay, so keep your pencil on this dot and go up to the blue line like this. This is the first step of cursive letter V. Like this, go up, come down, then again go up in this way, then take a curve and go out towards right hand side. This is cursive letter V. Which letter is this? Cursive letter V. From this dot, go up to the blue line, come down to the blue line, again go up to the blue line, take a curve and go out. This is cursive letter V. Speak cursive letter V. We were, was. We were, violin. We were, volcano. We were, vegetables. We were, violet. We were, van. Okay, students, in this way you have to do the tracing. Now let's see how to do on single dot. Keep your pencil on this dot. Go up to the blue line, come down to the blue line. Don't do the point one, okay? Go up and out like this. Cursive letter V. Speak cursive letter V. Which letter we are writing? Cursive letter V. We were, was. We were, vegetables. So in this way you have to complete the page number 6 to 62. After completing the page number 6 to 62, you need to open the page number 6363. Okay. Now this is your homework. So turn your page and take out the page number 6464. Okay. This page also you need to mention date and classwork. This page is for homework. So here we are going to learn a new letter, that is cursive letter W. W says wa. W wa, whale. W wa, whale. So trace and write the letter W. Let's start. The first formation is, keep your pencil on this dot, that is between these two blue lines. From here, go up. Second step, come down to the blue line, go up to the blue line. First step, go up, then down, then up. Then second step done, third step again go down, go up, curve and out. This is cursive letter W. Which letter is this? Cursive letter W. Which letter I am writing, students? I am writing cursive letter W. W were, whale. W were, watermelon. W were, watch. W were, white. W were, weight. W were, window. W were, woman. This is wrong one, so erase it and write it again. W were, wind. Now let's do on single dot. Keep your pencil here on this dot. Go up to the blue line, come down to the blue line, again go up to the blue line, and again come down to the blue line, again go up to the blue line, take curve towards left hand side, then go out and don't touch this line. This is cursive letter W. Cursive letter W. Which letter we are writing, students? We are writing cursive letter W. W for whale. Okay. Now in this way you have to complete the page number 6464. Now please turn your page and take out the page number, and this is your homework 65. Okay. Take out the page number 6666. This work we will do here, and this is for your homework. So on this page we are going to learn the formation of cursive letter X. X cus xylophone. So let's start. Learn the formation of cursive letter X. In this also we required only these two blue lines. Keep your pencil on this dot in between these two blue lines. Now from here we will make a opposite side of cursive C. Okay, like this, opposite. After doing this, this will go back and touch to the blue line on the top. In this way, like this, then again go up, then make a C. Firstly we will do opposite sides of C, then we will do right side of C. This is cursive letter X. Speak cursive letter X. It should be joined, okay? It should not be separated. Speak cursive letter X. Which letter we are writing? We are writing cursive letter X. X cus xylophone. X cus smush tree. X cus X-ray. X cus X-ray fish. X cus X-ray. X cus Xmas tree. X cus X-ray. So students, in this way you have to do the tracing. After tracing we will do on single dot. Keep a pencil here, go up to the blue line, come down to the blue line like this. Then from here again we have to go up, make a C like this. This is cursive letter X. Speak which letter we are writing? We are writing cursive letter X. Speak everyone, cursive letter X. So in this way you have to complete the page number 66 and 67 also. So students, these pages you have to do it and submit your work on Google Classroom in PDF form. Okay, thank you.